Are you tired of seeing your gas bill rise every month? Well, I want you to say goodbye to high energy bills and hello to the energy efficient, cost effective power of a heat pump. Hi, I'm Michael from EcoStar and I'm here to tell you all about it. So what is a heat pump? A central heat pump is just like the regular air conditioner working with the existing gas furnace and ductwork in your house. The central heat pump AC can do cooling in the summer and heating in the winter. In the winter, the outdoor unit pulls heat from the air outside and sends it through the refrigerant coolant to increase its temperature. That warm air is then pushed into your home to keep you cozy. And during the summer, it absorbs warm air from inside your home and sends it outside, cooling things off. Now, this dual fuel system is effective because the heat pump uses less energy than a gas furnace, producing fewer greenhouse emissions, making it a more sustainable choice for the environment, saving you money on your energy bills. And if you're a resident of Ontario, you're in luck. Natural Resources Canada, working with Enbridge Gas, is offering qualified homeowners a $6,500 rebate grant on select heat pump packages, plus an additional $600 energy audit fee reimbursement so you can save even more money. So let me ask you, are you ready to take your home heating to the next level? Call EcoStar Home Services to book your free consultation today.